In this video we're giving an honest review of Backblaze B2 Cloud Storage to help you understand what it's like to use it. Backblaze B2 is a pay-as-you-go service popular with developers, media projects and backup specialists, offering low-cost storage at around $0.005 per gigabyte per month after a 10 GB free tier. Users appreciate its straightforward setup if you're familiar with cloud tools, solid API and CLI integrations, and strong value for large-scale storage compared to major providers. The platform boasts high durability, making it reliable for long-term storage. However, there are trade-offs. Download and restore speeds can be slow for large files, the web interface isn't as polished as consumer-focused services, and egress fees for downloading data can add up. Backblaze B2 also expects a higher level of technical familiarity, with buckets, permissions and APIs, so casual users may find it less intuitive. Overall, it's a cost-effective and reliable option if you need to store large volumes of data and are comfortable with cloud workflows, but casual users or those needing simple, fast file sharing may want to explore alternatives. For more honest and practical tech reviews, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest insights.